power cuts, camping, or emergencies. This box might be the solution. I just received this from Noon. Let's unbox together. Nice and secure packaging. Exactly what you expect from Noon. And some safety. Okay, some poly bags wrapped on the box. Let's open it. It was very much well packed. And here it is, the FlashFish Power Station. This power station has a 230 Life P04 battery, which means longer life up to 3500 charge cycle. Let's open the actual box. A user manual, power cable, some safety, and here it is, the UPS power box. Wow. First impression, compact and solid. Easy to carry, around 3 to 4 kg, I must say. Very much compact, portable. Even you can carry it while traveling. Okay, so as per the product description, it comes with 12-month warranty and customer support. This power station has 230 Life P04 battery, which I already mentioned earlier, which means longer life, and it delivers 300 watt output with 600 watt peak, enough for laptop, camera, fridge, mini fridge, machines, and for a LCD TV. Look at that, how many ports are available. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 port. AC outlet, USB, USB-A, DC output, so no fighting for chargers. It also supports pass-through charging, meaning you can charge it and use it at the same time. Very useful during power outage. And it fully charges in about 3 hours using AC and DC together. Okay, emergency light. Flashlight. You can select the mode, AC or DC. Okay, DC light. Anyway, lots of options available, and I must say it's a must-have for every home. And for all those traveling to Pakistan, a must-have while traveling. You can buy it from Amazon. You can buy it. I bought it from Noon.com. You can use my promo code, that is ASM, while buying, and you can get around 10% cash back with the purchase. I'll share the link in comment section. Do let me know your feedback and comments about it. Take care of yourself. Subscribe the channel. Follow the profile for more unboxing and review. Assalamu alaikum.